What's up, Break the 9 to 5 fam? Today I'm going to show you how I create my motivational posts step by step. Stick around. Okay, let's dive in. Here's our page right here. Break the 9 to 5. Have a lot of quotes, videos, but mainly there's a theme of a nice picture in the back with block quotes in the front. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. My simple process. There's tons of ways to make these quotes, but this is the way I make them. If you want to learn, let's jump in. First, we're going to use this app called Typorama on the bottom left. When you go into this, I'm going to browse into my albums. I'm going to go into my Instagram portfolio, and we are going to choose this photo right here on the bottom. This was me when I went to LinkedIn. As you can see, you can crop your photo with various sizes right here. Today we're just gonna keep it original. Alright, and let's see here. And as you can see, there's tons of fonts to choose from. You can use this font, just play around with the fonts right here. I typically like using a fast runner. And we're gonna press get random quote. That generates all these random quotes for you. Dream big, dare fail. Not quite. Pick something that really resonates with that picture that you think you can write about. That's what I typically do. Okay, we're gonna choose this one. The best revenge is massive success. Alright. The text lines are too long. Okay, let me change that. Take off manual line breaks. That way, everything's automated for you. So, as you can see, there's 2 lines right there. We can resize it. And we're gonna place this right above the LinkedIn logo. Yeah, I think it looks good right there. And then we're gonna go into shadows. Sorry. We're gonna go into filters. So that's gonna be in backgrounds. You can do overlays as well, but typically I like using the low light filter. Change the intensity. It's about maybe like 50 to 60%. Yeah, about like 50 right there, so that the words kind of pop out. Next, you can change the exposure, increase the contrast, as well as saturation if you want. Just play around with those settings to really make those letters kind of pop out. And then you can go to watermark. For those that don't have a watermark, you can just click no watermark and it will prompt you to create one. On the right, I don't have a logo, create a watermark. I like using the Instagram handle. It's gonna be at break the 9 to 5, all caps. Okay, and you can go ahead and resize that as well. Try and get that. Alright, and that's how it would look like if you created your own quick, easy watermark. Since we have our own, we're just going to remove that and just replace it with the white logo on top, right there, and position it right in the middle. And there you go. That's pretty much how you make a motivational post. You can choose your picture, add a quote, and it's as easy as that. Alright, that's it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. Go ahead and leave comments below on what you found really helpful and what wasn't as clear, so I can make better videos for you guys. Also, whatever you guys want me to post, just let me know in the comments as well, so I can create more of that type of content, and then you guys can see how I post those as well. Alright, until next time, take care.